September is supposed to be the worst month for equities. Take a look at the risk factors out there. These are just some of them, but Brexit, obviously, we don't know what is going to happen. It all kicks off later today. Italian government, we should find out who's going to be running Italy soon, although may not. But then they have to submit a new budget to the European Commission and see if that goes through and whether they take off the penalties. A lot could happen with Italy. And obviously, you were just talking about trade war. Trade war negotiations are going to dominate this month. Whether they actually negotiate is the key question. September 12th, the ECB meets. What are they going to do to stimulate their economy? September 18th, the Fed meets. How far will they go to stimulate the economy? And on September 30th, maybe this won't happen, but that's when the government funding runs out. The president and Congress have negotiated a deal, but will it all get passed in time legislatively? We have to wait and see, or we get another government shutdown. Here's the ECB question. What do they do? The blue line is the ECB deposit rate, already negative. Can they go farther negative? The white line is QE, the ECB's balance sheet. Do they raise that? Do they restart QE? Both of those questions fraught with other questions about how, the mechanics of how they do it. The yellow line, targeted long-term refinancing operations, TLTROs. They're supposed to introduce them this fall. What are the rules going to be? Are they going to be fairly generous? And does that help stimulate the European economy? And then, of course, we get to the big Fed question ahead. What does the Fed do? You can see this is the yellow line is the Fed funds rate. And then the white line is market expectations for a September move. You can see more than 116% priced in there. But the October meeting at this point, just over 50%. Once they do it in September, does that change? Do we think we need more? We're going to get more? Or does the market say the Fed can sit back and wait for a while?